so honored here in Lake Mills to have this Sherman Tank in our park. A Lake Mills graduate, Brigadier General Joseph Colby, who graduated from here in 1917. He went into the military and he invented the Sherman Tank and tracked vehicles that are still used in the military today. After his military career, he went to work for Rockwell International and he retired from there in 1962, so they gave Lake Mills a tank and our county seat a Forest City tank. And we kind of laughed because our tank points at Forest City and Forest City points at Lake Mills. It was brought to Lake Mills in 1962 and it came in on the railroad and they unloaded it and a guy pulled it up with a tractor, and a World War II veteran that actually drove tanks in the military steered it up into this park. So when we decided to move the tank to the back of the monument instead of the forefront, we had a crane come in, pick it up, put it on a semi, we took it off to have it painted and then brought it back. And again, the crane weighed it and weighs 72,000 pounds. The tank refurbishing was a gift from the Hansen Foundation. They gave me $6,500 to pour the cement pad and repaint the tank and put the decals on it. When I was a kid, we used to go in and play in it. It was open, we'd lift the hatch and go in and play and play. But since then, things have changed and the doors have been welded shut for safety of everyone. But kids are free to climb on the tank, and you'll see 5 to 10 kids up here several times during the week, just exploring and having a good time.